going to do a potato and leek soup, but this isn't going to be a puree soup. It's going to have bits of leek and potato in there as well. So here we go. Pan. Make sure the pan's on. Get it hot. A little bit of oil in the pan. First job, onions. So we're just going to. But now, when I'm cutting the onions for this soup, I'm not going to blend it, so I want to keep the onions a little bit more of a diced shape. So I'll do it a little bit smaller. So as you can see, I've put, and then I'm cutting down, being careful. I'm holding the onion together with my fingers like this. And as you can see, the onion is coming out a lot more diced. So that's smoking, so I'll just take that off. Just show you that again. So you cut down, hold the onion, cut down, quite closely together. Hold the onion like a ball or something, and then cut into the onion. And I'm going to do 2 incisions, and then holding it again quite firmly, cut down. And then you have a smaller dice of onion. With a smaller dice of onion, it's also going to cook quicker. So you need to be careful not to burn the soup. Okay, so I've got my onions there. But what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to have my leek ready before I put the onions in, because they're going to cook so much quicker. So I've got my leek. Just cut the leek in half. I'm just going to take the centre part out of the leek. Cut the leek down there. Open it up, like so. Cut it down into like a baton shape, and again, cutting across to make a dice. Quite a small dice. One bit there, just cutting down. Okay. Same again, I've taken the centre out of the leek. Cutting down into battens and cut across to form a nice dice of leek. Always be careful with your fingers and try not to look away too much, because you might cut yourself. Okay. So I do the same again, this other half. Just take the centre out. There's a bit more though. Again, cut down, cut across, some dice, big bit, let's get rid of that. Again, once more. Oh, get rid of them. Oh, and that one. And let's cut down. So we've got the diced onions, diced leek. Now, get that back on the heat. It's already been heated once, so it's not going to take too long to heat up again. And then we can drop the onions in. Let's just test it. Yes, sizzling. So now we can get the onions into the pan. Just put them in there. And as soon as the onions, as soon as the vegetables are hitting the pan, you can smell it straight away. You can smell the onions cooking, which is really nice. So then I need my spoon. And just keep an eye, there we go. Got a big bit there, just get that. And always use a spoon, never use your fingers. Is that ready? So now I'm putting 1 potato. Give that a bit of firing. Peeler. Don't seem to have a peeler anywhere. Okay, well, let's peel it with a knife. So I'm just going to cut round the potato. Just keep an eye on the onions and the leek so they don't burn. There we go, put that up there, that's skin off. Right, get rid of that. potato, I'm just going to cut down there. So it's got a sturdy base, now I'll cut down again. So I want to have quite a nice dice of potato, but the same size as the leeks. So that's in battens and then across again. And you get a nice square of potato. Just do these onions. Okay, get that in there. I can really smell the leeks. Put the potatoes in. As you can see, it's all cooking along nicely. Got the onions, got the leeks, got the potatoes in there. And there's no colour on the onions. Just keep them playing. I'm just going to drop the rest of this potato in. What time are we on now? We're on 6 minutes. Keep going. Get the skin there, get rid of that. Go, drop that in. That's cooking along nicely. I also want to drop in some garlic. I haven't got a garlic press, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crush it. Use 3 and then chop it down. Get it small. I'll put a little bit of salt on the garlic. That'll help to make it into more of a puree. Come on, always keep an eye on this. Okay, it's started. Just put a little bit of water in there. Okay, got the garlic. My fingers are going to be really smelly now, garlic. Ooh. Okay, that'll do it, there we go. That in there, press it down. Okay. Just going to cook that out for a few minutes. The vegetables cook really, really quickly because they're quite small. And I need to thicken this soup as well. So I'm going to use some of this more thickening agent again. We'll use a little bit of flour. However, we didn't have any, so let's use a bit of thickening agent. 3 of those and that. And that's already started to slowly thicken it. Now I'm going to add about 400 millilitres of water. Get rid of this. Oh, it's cold. Let's get hot water. So I've just taken that off the heat because it's nicely cooked. Okay, water. Hot water. I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of coconut milk, but you can use cream, so I keep it, again, it's going to be vegan. A little bit more water. Oh, that's good. So now I'm just going to boil it to let the thickening agent cook out. That should thicken the soup slightly. Let's just have a taste of that. We're also going to add the Knorr stock cube, but this one I'm going to add a whole one, and a little bit more, and about a teaspoon of salt. Now, I'm just going to boil that out for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back to finish it off. So my soup's bubbling away. It's been bubbling away for about 5 minutes. It's all thickened up. It started coming together. It's looking good. It's tasting good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of coconut milk. Just do a little bit of extra oomph. It's niceness. Oh. Canopy. Okay. And then if you let's just have a quick look. See the soup there? There we go. Taste. The coconut milk really adds a different. Okay, so onions, garlic, leeks, potato, cooked down, stock. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of parsley. So I'm just going to take that off, because that's just about finished. Got some parsley here. So this is flat leaf parsley. So we're just going to pick that off, like so. So it's not that much there. And then tidy it into a little bunch. So we can cut it, and then just cut it down, like so. And I'm just going to drop it in the soup. Just a little, I just left a tiny bit there. So that goes in the soup. As you can see, we've got a pretty damn good. Okay, so now we'll put it in the bowl. Where's my bowl? Oh, the bowl's there. Hiding on the fat leaf. That's not on, is it? No, we've got that there. Let's give it a quick stir so we get all the bits in the soup, in the bowl. Drop that in. There we go. Potato and leek soup. Put a little bit of parsley on the top, like so. Just spread it around. So there we go. Parsley and leek soup. Potato, leek soup. Finished with a little bit of coconut milk and some fresh